Now I'm going to talk about the deployment, additional features of demonstration and reflection. I developed I deployed my application using Render. I used the static site option to host the front end development and create a web service to host my backend. Render has a huge advantage in that it is connected to GitHub, so there is no conflict if I make a new push to my repository, big or small. It just takes the change and makes the new deploy based on these changes. Now, one of the problems I had is that I didn't know how to handle the environment variables. And when I loaded my repository to render and then run it in the browser, I started to receive Axios errors because the paths or the routes to which I made the request were local routes. Additionally, it also caused me problems with Firebase because this is a new domain. This is a little demo of the application. We have this login with this landing page, which is home. If we are not authenticated, um, when we want to access to deposit or withdraw, we are going to be redirected to login page. Once we log in, for example, with Google, here we're logging with Google, we're gonna see the context. Here we can see the email of the user, and as this is a Google account, we can see the name of the person, the name registered with that account. Uh, we can log out, and we can use also the option to log in with a previous user created with the create account um, with the create account page. We can log out and create a new account, for example, um, sorry, this is not the email. We're gonna put the same, and then we can create the account. Never. We can create a new account or just go to home. Here we are just logged in and we can access to everywhere. We see that we have the balance in 0 initially, so we can make, for example, a deposit. If we go to withdraw, we are going to see the balance reflected, and we have to enter a number. If we are going to enter a number bigger than the current balance, this is going to make an error. We're going to put this and we can make the balance, and we see this is updated.